When was the last time you used an ATM? We've all used them to pick up some quick cash or deposit a check, but they may soon be a thing of the past. Now more people are using cashless transactions, and banks are rethinking things, especially since ATMs are a pretty popular target for thieves. Here's Jason Freund.
It's called bank jugging. Odessa police reported 2 different cases of it last week, while Midland police confirmed they are investigating 2 cases of it as well.
Jugging is a slang for a crime. When a suspect waits at a bank ATM machine for a customer to withdraw money and leave. The suspect then follows the customer to another location and commits the crime.
It's just one of the factors driving banks to move away from ATMs, while some banks and credit unions chose not to utilize them.
One of the drawbacks of using ATMs is that some institutions charge people a fee if they're not a customer of that bank.
Bill Day is the Senior Vice President and Communication Manager at Frost Bank. He says that Frost is increasing the amount of ATMs over the next 2 years, while other banks are going the opposite way. There were over 470,000 ATMs as of 2019, but those numbers are dwindling after a spike in mobile banking came during the pandemic.
When our physical locations were shut down and you couldn't walk into a branch, you could still do all your transactions, talk to a banker, open accounts, and get loans through the drive-through. So as we have expanded and built new locations, we have increasingly added motor banks, whereas previously the trend was, well, people aren't really using the drive-through lanes as much anymore.
Convenience is what the customers want. 77% of customers believe access to cash increases financial belonging to a bank, which is why many banks are pivoting to a trend thought to have been passed by, the drive-through ATM.
As we all learned during the pandemic when we were stuck at home, the more things you can do online or on your mobile phone, the more convenient and the more easy it is for you. So then you think, why can't I do that with my bank? Why can't I apply for a loan online? Why can't I make a deposit online? Take a picture of my check. That's why banks have been doing more and more stuff with online